Okay, I hope that in during this time you might have calculated the average. I am calculating the average 12.10 plus 12.13 plus 12.22. So the total is 36.45, and dividing it by 3, I got average time for 10 oscillations is 12.15. Now dividing it by 10 gives you the time for one oscillation 1.25. 1.215 is the time period. Okay, previously the time period was 14 point something, now 1.4. Previously the time period was 1.41, now it is 1.21 or 1.22, you can say. Now again I am shortening the length. You can see that how I am going to shorten the length. Now I have shortened the length of the pendulum like this. Now we have to observe that what changes may occur in the time period again. So we will be understanding that how the length of the pendulum is affecting the time period. Okay, we are studying the effect of length on the time period of a pendulum. Uh, Now you can see that I am not changing the amplitude. As I told you in the beginning that what is amplitude? I am not changing the amplitude, as I told you earlier that what is amplitude. Notice this thing also. Okay, now I am starting the first reading of the third length. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the time is 9.44. It is 9.44. Take another observation. Okay. Another observation. Well, amplitude is the same. I'm trying to keep the amplitude same. You can also take precautions to keep it same. 1, 2. Okay, sorry, it's wrong. The movement is wrong. You must keep the movement straight like this. Actually, I'm trying to keep, but actually I am observing from the other side now, so it becoming difficult for me. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9.53. 9.53 seconds. Now let us take another observation. As soon as possible, I want to finish this because we have to do a lot, inshallah. Well, now again, the third observation. One, okay, sorry, its movement gets disturbed actually. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9.50. The movement was slightly disturbed. 9.50. Average of all the three observations, 9.44, 9.44 plus 9.53, 9.53 plus 9.50. 9.50. Okay, so I got the total, which is 28.47. Okay, I'm dividing it by 3, so that average time for 10 oscillation is 9.49 second. Okay, 9.49 second. Okay, dividing it by 10 to get time for one vibration, I got 0.949 second. This is the time for one oscillation or one vibration. Now I hope that you have observed that how the length of the pendulum, we were observing that how the length of the simple pendulum is affecting its time period. So you observe that if we are shortening the length of a simple pendulum, the time period is affected. Another very important thing, please guys write it now, that normally it is said that don't try it at home, but I say that please you may also try it at home with the precautions which I am telling you. You can change the mass, you can change the length. One very important thing, I'm not changing the amplitude, I'm keeping the amplitude same. The experiment can also be repeated with change mass, with change amplitude. Okay, I have observed with the change length. So if you get time, please observe and find out that what is the effect on time period, the effect of mass and effect of amplitude. Okay, this is the thing which you have to ponder about. Okay, you have what two things you have to find out. I'll also write it on Edmodo, that the effect of mass and effect of amplitude on the time period. In the morning today I uploaded 3 videos related to the Vernier caliper. I hope the few students, if they got time, they might have seen, because I shared the link of these 3 videos which were related to the Vernier caliper, that how to take the reading of the Vernier caliper. Okay, so please watch these videos. I'll also share link of the same videos today also. Well, now let me see the questions, which because it is very important. Sir, what is the name of your YouTube channel? Actually, you just today I have posted the link. So while clicking the link you can see, okay, short the length, faster the movement, vice versa. Very good. Well, very good. After shortening the length, now I am looking at your questions or your answers, etc. We can infer that by decreasing the length, the speed increases. Okay, inferration is very good. And one oscillation is this, my time period calculate. Okay. Very good. So guys, today actually we have observed that what is the effect of the length on the time period. Once again, we have almost 10 minutes remaining. What question you got us noted? Okay, actually, I am repeating the question. The question is this, please. In the meanwhile, I'm taking the attendance. Ariba Khan, please write down your question in the chat box. Ariba Khan sir, sorry, I am disturbing, but I know how will we find effect of mass and amplitude. Actually, as I told you, in the meanwhile, I'm taking attendance, and I am also telling you that this student asked me that how we are going to find out the effect of mass. You can take different masses. For example, you can take a tennis ball. I got a ball like this, so you can use the tennis ball instead of this ball. Another thing, other type of ball, you can use another, I think so, you can use marbles of different size or different material. You can use any piece of wood, you can use a piece of wood. So in this way you can change the mass actually, and then amplitude can be changed very easily, as you know. So it's up to you that how you change the mass. Okay, so why does length affect on time? Okay, someone asked me that why does length affects. Okay, I'll get the question answer from the you people also. A student asked, sir, why length affects? Sir, if we decrease the length, the time also decrease. Okay, well, so actually if we are decreasing the length, na, what is happening actually? Its speed increases, speed of vibration. If you might have observed that if I am decreasing the length, look at, now it is vibrating more quickly. Okay, now Observe it carefully. Now again, I am giving it the same length which I got in the first case here. Now you observe its vibration. It is vibrating slowly, but when its length was shorter, it was vibrating fast. So that is why the time period is also affecting. Okay, well, enjoy your Eid holidays also, and as you know that the Eid holidays are till, I think so, till 5th of August, I think so, and on the 6th of August you have to rejoin, inshallah. Hajj Mubarak and Eid Mubarak to all of you. May Allah bless you all and stay hale and hearty, and may Allah accept your sacrifications which you are giving, inshallah. And if you have any question during the course of during these vacation, you can ask, and I'll try to upload some videos related to pedometer and the other instruments which I asked you that please watch those videos. So I'll try to upload the links, inshallah. If you will subscribe my channel, while so it will be easier for you to get the videos, because during the Eid holidays I won't be able to upload anything on Edmodo. No, actually, I don't want to give you any homework during the Eid holidays. So only if you get time, so please observe the effect of mass and amplitude on the time period. Next time, inshallah, my experiment will be related to the vernier caliper and micro screw gauge. I would like to complete these two things in a single lecture, inshallah, micro screw gauge and the vernier caliper. And today I uploaded the videos related to vernier caliper. I think so if you will watch them, those videos, it will be very helpful for you to understand. Okay, those who want to practice physics, I will practice measurement during holidays. Very good. You can practice measurement. While practicing measurement, it is very important that you must also take the precautions, because in this experiment, as I told you, that you have to take the precaution, like the length of the simple pendulum. A very important thing as it come in my mind, the length of the pendulum will be taken from the center of the mass. It must be taken from the center of the bob. This is the center. You will have to find out that where is the center of this mass. So from the center till the edge from where it is attached. So length of the pendulum will be calculated. For example, I'm showing you by shortening the length like this, how you are going to measure the length of the simple pendulum from the center till the point from where it is attached, with the help of the meter rule or with the help of the measuring tape. I think so few people might be having their measuring tapes, etc. So in this way, look here, from the center till the edge from where it is attached. It is attached here. So this is the length of the pendulum. You will have to write here in this experiment. I have not given you that the measurement of the length, but I roughly wanted to know you that you must be aware that how the length basically is affecting. What is the reason behind the, sir, length changing factor? Sir, we have to measure the different masses. Yes, you have to change the different masses, and you will have to tell me that what change you observed in time period by changing the mass and by changing the amplitude. For example, I'm keeping the amplitude like this much. You can keep the amplitude this much. Okay, so by keeping this much amplitude, you will have to observe that how the time period may change. You can also infer that how it is changing. But if another very important thing, this thread must not sag like this while leaving the pendulum. This, it must not swing like this. It must be very smooth swinging in a straight line like this. I think so I am successful in giving it motion in a straight line like this. It must move like this. Okay, it must not move like this. During my few readings, I think so it was showing a very haphazard movement. So it must be very good movement like this. Any other question? Let me see more questions from the students. Well, okay. Someone has inferred that increasing amplitude increases time period for oscillations. Okay. Well, you will have to tell me. At this time, I am not telling. Next time, inshallah, I'll tell you that what are the effects of mass, because first of all, I would like to have your answers. I want that you people must study and you must try. You can also make your own simple pendulum with the help of different objects. It is not necessary that you must have any round object. You can have any object. You can have wooden pieces. You can have rubber eraser. You can use a stone. Okay, you can use the stones of different. You can break a brick. You can break a brick and make different masses. Taken attendance, sir. Yes, I have taken the attendance. Yes, increase mass will decrease the temperature. Okay. Well, you will have to observe that pendulum will move faster when mass is heavy. And am I right? You will have to. I am not replying that whether you are right or not. This is on your observation. As I have given you that a method that how you can use the different masses. Like you can use a brick and break the brick. Please break the brick very carefully. It may not injure your hand. So you can find out stones of different mass, different sizes. So with the help of different sizes stone, you can make pendulum like this. Okay, I have made one with the help of the plasticine and some scotch tape, etc. So you can make the pendulum with the help of stones of different sizes. Well, let me see more question. Our time is going to over. The shorter the length, less the time period. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Okay. Very good. Okay. Thank you so much for saying Eid Mubarak to me. Well, let me check. In the meanwhile, any other question? Those who are saying that I don't have pendulum, I have told you, you have the thread, you have the stones of different sizes. Eid Mubarak to all of you. Well, I think so. How much time we have?